Hi there. Let's take a look at the Talk Talk series published by Halico. Talk Talk is a conversation course based on situational dialogues for high beginner to intermediate students learning English as a second language. Each lesson is packed with everyday, useful American English expressions and idioms that are interesting in context and practical in nature. There are 2 books in the series, Talk Talk Meeting People and Talk Talk Going Places. Let's take a look at the structure of the course. This conversation course has 3 modules and 12 lessons in total. Each unit is broken down as follows. Dialogue presents the lesson's main text. Vocabulary expansion outlines and defines new words and phrases. Comprehension questions test students' ability to remember and quickly scan the text to find the appropriate answers. Matching challenges students to match vocabulary phrases based on context. Mini dialogues incorporate the new vocabulary and phrases from the dialogue and vocabulary expansion in 3 mini conversations. Cultural close-up focuses on a cross-cultural theme presented in the lesson. Each lesson's reading concentrates on one aspect of culture that was mentioned in the lesson. Extended practice task enables students to create their own dialogue in a task-based activity. If you are interested in the Talk Talk series or need any assistance selecting classroom materials, please let us know.